For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given inequality? So we're given these four tables with values of x and corresponding values of y. We need to see which one of these have x and y values that are solutions to this inequality. And we know if they're solutions when we plug in the x and y values and the inequality is true, meaning the quantity on the left-hand side will be greater than the quantity on the right side. So let's look at the first answer choice. It says that at an x value of 2, y equals 19. So if we plug that in, here, let's do answer choice A here. So when y equals 19 and x is 2, so we'll plug in 19 for y in this equation and 2 for x. 4 times 2 is 8, so we'll be left with 8 plus 8. So this simplifies to 19 is greater than or equal greater than 16, which is true. Then if we look at the second set of xy coordinates, 4 and 30. So y is 30. So on the left-hand side we have 30. It's greater than, and then 4. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 8. So that simplifies to 24. And 30 is greater than 24. So far both of these are correct. And then let's check the third point, 6 and 41. So on the left-hand side, we'll have 41 for the value of y, which is greater than 4 times x. X is 6. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 8. So this simplifies to 41 is greater than 32, which is true. So all of the xy coordinates in table A satisfied the inequality. So this is probably the correct answer, but let's make sure that the others are wrong. So for answer choice B, if we plug in 2 for x and 8 for y, we'll have 8 on the left-hand side is greater than 2 times 4, which is 8 plus 8. And so we're left with 8 is greater than 16, which is incorrect. 8 is less than 16, so we can rule out B since these xy coordinates did not satisfy the inequality. Then for answer choice C, we're given that x is 2 and y is 13. So 13 on the left side, and that is greater than 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 8. And so we're left with 13 is greater than 16, which is also incorrect. So that means C is incorrect. And then for answer choice D, you can see that it says the same as answer choice C. X is 2, y is 13. We saw this up here. And we saw that C, the first xy coordinate for C, was incorrect, so D is also going to be incorrect. So that means A was the only one where all of the xy coordinates were solutions to the inequality.